Okay, we're back with our calculator. Try to put everything in it once again. Shift, sine inverse. I can do the 9. Put another bracket. Sine of 35. In bracket. Divided by 8, another in bracket. There's that in brackets, and I guess another bracket. Didn't look. Let's see, which one should be bigger? Let's see, there's C. B should be a little bigger than C. Sure enough, it comes out that way, so I trust this answer. So angle B equals 40.2 degrees. Okay, so that's the first part of it. So then you can fill in that information on your puzzle over here. And then I think, oh, that was angle B. Oh, sorry. Oof. There's a mistake. 40.2 degrees. Okay, so we need to, I was rushing ahead to find that one. So that's 180 minus 35, which would give me, 145, correct? Let's see, 180 minus 35, yeah, 145 minus 40.2. Give me down to 104.8. 104.8. I do believe. Okay, so that's over here. 104.8. Big angle. This side must be way bigger. But anyways, now we can find the height. We don't even have to find this over here. I'm going for the area, right? Because I want to find this h. It's going to be, the area is going to be equal to 1/2 times 8. You know, you can use any side for your base as long as your height comes from the opposite vertex and comes down perpendicular to that side. 108. So how do we find this h? So I'm just going to do this separately. They do it all together. I'm going to wait for this h over here. So I say that sine of A equals h over 9, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of 104.8, 104.8 degrees equals h over 9. Okay, so h equals 9 sine 104.8 degrees. H equals 9 sine 104.8 equals 8.7 centimeters. I think it's in centimeters. I don't know. Yeah, centimeters. So now I can plug it in there. So now I know that the height is 8.7. Multiply 8 times 8.7 and take half of that. So I'll just put it all in there. Area equals 1/2 times 8 times 8.7. So half of 8 is 4, so 4 times 8.7. Clear. 4 times 8.7, 7, whoops, 34.8. Centimeters squared. Make sure you put your answer in the correct units, right? We're finding the area of that triangle. Okay, let's look at the practice problems. They give you a bunch of practice problems. So, it's okay if these take you longer than 5 minutes each. I think. I hope you can get it down to 5 minutes. But so just make sure on every one of these, please go ahead and do these and ask and tell me to work any of them that you need me to work. Okay. Otherwise, I don't want to be making more 10-minute videos and just boring you to death. So As long as you know how to do these, great. I suggest every time, just draw a triangle, and you got A, B, C. It doesn't matter where you put these, and you might have to rearrange it to do it. So side A is over here, 2.8. Side little b is 7.1. And angle C is 30 degrees. Oh, they give you a nice one to start with, right? So you can see this. Oh boy, they really give you a nice one here, right? And I luckily I just put it this way and it runs out fine. So if you're just finding the area of ABC, I hope you can see what to do here. Pause it and go ahead and find it. Remember, well, my 30 degrees, of course, that's a messed up looking 30 degrees. And this side is, remember the sine of 30 degrees, sine of 30 equals h over 7.1. So, and sine of 30 is half. Half equals h over 7.1. So h is going to be half of 7.1, be, what is it, 3.55? Is that right? 3.55, I think. And then use that, area equals 1/2 base times height times 3.55 times 2.8. Okay, I'll leave the calculation to you. Okay, go ahead, pause, work this one, and I'll do like I did there, sketch out and give you little hints on it. All right. Or not. You just do B, C, and D. Tell me if you need me to help you on them at all, and I'll be happy to do that. But this is another 7-minute video, so good luck on these. And that wraps up lesson 6. Whichever ones you have problems with me, write me an email. Write an email, and I'll be happy to work any of them. Tell me which activity, which number. Send a screenshot on the email, or if your phone starts working again, use WhatsApp. Okay, good luck, Kenda. And we're on to lesson 7, the last one in the chapter.